Hey guys, welcome to Hindi channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the screen orientation in Windows 11. So guys, there you can see I have two screens. One is in landscape mode and another one is in portrait. So I'm going to show you how I have done this. Go to display settings and there you can see both of my screens. And there you're gonna see the orientation. You can just change it to portrait. Just selecting the other screen, I've changed it to landscape from here. So guys, this is how you can change your screen orientation in Windows 11. So that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.